Good morning, student. In last video, all of you watched matter, diffusion, state of matter, and question over there: what is matter? A matter is a substance which occupies. Generally, its answer. Simple answer. A matter is a substance or things which occupies space, which we can touch it, which we can feel it. That substance is called matter. If you want to write in proper with that definition, then what to write? Matter may be defined as something that occupies space, possesses mass, and offers resistance to any stress. After that, question of what is diffusion? Diffusion means mixing of two or more than two substances, or intermixing of two or more than two substances. Just like you take example, sugar and water is there, salt and water is there, lemon juice and water is there, right? Many examples are there, and definition of diffusion is the intermixing of the particles of two or more than two substances on their own is called diffusion. After that, states of matter. How many states of matter are there? Mainly three states of matter: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Otherwise, five are there: plasma, Bose, and Einstein. In last video, also all of you watched that properties of solid, liquid, and gases are there, and there you saw properties of solids. You know that properties of solid or properties of liquid or properties of gases will be defined the intermolecular force between two molecules, intermolecular force between two atoms. Right now, in solid, what were there? Intermolecular force is very strong, cohesive force, attractive force is very strong. That's why the shape of solids are fixed, the volume is fixed, density is high. Density means volume, mass of body per unit volume. Right now, diffusion is very slow. Why diffusion is very slow? Because intermolecular force between two atoms, between two molecules are very strong right now, and due to the strong intermolecular space, solids have high melting point. Now next, liquid state. Liquid The liquid state also be defined on the basis of the intermolecular force between two molecules, intermolecular force between two atoms. Right now, you see, intermolecular force between two atoms of liquids are less, weaker than the solid. Weaker than the solid. That's why liquid have no fixed shape. This is the first property of liquid. Second property, a liquid has a definite volume. Definite volume is there, means cohesive force is weaker than the solid, but it is not too weak to attain their or to attract their molecules to each other or fix their molecule to each other. That's why, means generally we say that intermolecular force, cohesive forces are strong enough to keep the constituent particles together. That's why liquid has fixed volume. Right now, liquid has fixed volume, and but third point, you see, the mass per unit volume of liquid is less, lighter. Right now, less. That's why liquid have lower density than the solid. Intermolecular force, already I told you that intermolecular force between two molecules or between two atoms of liquids are weaker than the solids. That's why there is more space between. That's why there is more space between two molecules or two atoms of the liquid. That's why, keep in your mind, when we dissolve sugar in water, what happen? Density increase, but their volume increase? No, volume not increase. Why? Because that, all of you know, in liquid there is space, there is gap between two molecules, and that gap is occupied by, filled by that solid substances. Next properties, we cannot compress it. Am I right? No, we can compress it. Why? Between two molecules there is space is there, and when space is there, that's why we can compress it. All of you understood? Now after the diffusion means intermixing. Easily we can diffuse, easily we can mix two liquids or more than two liquids right now. And last point, liquid always flow higher level to lower level, higher level to lower level. But you see that, and you know that due to the weak intermolecular force between two molecules of water or between two molecules of liquid, what happen? Anywhere if liquid falls, suppose water fall down, what happen? It start to flow, and you all of you saw it. It's flow higher level to lower level. After that, all of you see properties of gas. Properties of gas, beta. These gaseous properties are also defined on the basis of intermolecular force between two molecules, intermolecular force between two atoms of the gaseous particles. One thing keep in your mind, intermolecular force, cohesive force is too weak to maintain their shape. Means कह सकते हैं आपकी उनके बीच में इतना कमज़ोर कड़ी होती है, इतना कमज़ोर फोर्स होता है कि वे अपने मॉलिक्यूल्स को पकड़ के रख सकते नहीं हैं. आई होप दैट ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. आई होप दैट means intermolecular force between two molecules of gases are very very weak. That's why they have no any shape, they have no any fixed volume, they have no any shape, they have no any fixed volume. Understood right now? And there are more gap, more space between two molecules of gas. That's why we can compress it, that's why we can compress it. And due to the less intermolecular force, very weak intermolecular force, there is more gap between two molecules, there is more space between two molecules of gas. What happened? They are compressible, means we can compress it. Right now they have low density, they have low density, and very fastly we can diffuse it. Diffuse means we can mix it. I hope that all of you understood. I hope that all of you understood that easily we can mix it. Now change of state, all of you, I think that generally all of you saw that ice, when increase their temperature, when you heat it, their state change in liquid state. And when you increase temperature, it start to boil, and when it start to boil, what happen? Vaporize. Vaporize means change in the form of vapor. And what is a vapor? Vapor is gas. Means these solids, these gases and these liquids are change their states. Right now state means one state to another state. Right now means solid to liquid, liquid to gas, some are solid to direct gas is there. Right now means they change their states. All of you understood or not? Change of state, all of you that water in vapor it will change, when freeze it in solid it will change. Right now और एक अच्छा एग्जांपल आप देख सकते हैं, सॉलिड टू डायरेक्ट गैस, कपूर जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक ना. वो क्या होता है? व्हेन इट बर्न स्टेट इज सॉलिड एंड डायरेक्टली इट चेंज इन द स्टेट ऑफ, directly it change in the state of gas, it change in the state of gas. Right now means how, now another question is there that how can matter change its state? means in which way you change the state of a matter. What you do, you increase temperature, you decrease temperature, maybe you attain pressure on it, means in which way we change the physical nature of a matter. Right now, in which way? Beta, first what? By changing temperature, means you increase temperature or decrease temperature. By changing pressure, if you make pressure, means you increase pressure or decrease pressure, what happen? Their position, their physical state will change, or maybe both changing. Both changing means what? You change temperature as well as pressure. And when you change temperature as well as pressure, what happen? The physical state, initial state of matter will change to one state to another state. Now in which way changing will be there? In next video, in next time, in next term, all of you see it. Now all of you write question. Some questions are there, and that questions all of you write it on your notes copy. You give the answer of that question, and if any problem will be there, in next video you will get the answer. But don't depend on me that when I will give you answer then you write your answer. No, you try to find it. If you will search in your notes copy, 100% surely you will get the answer of the question. Right now, what are questions? All of you write. What is meant by the change of state? Name the physical state in which matter can exist under normal conditions. Third question, how can matter change its state? Right now, all of it, I hope that all of you written it. Okay, thank you.